Alright, welcome to Soma, if that makes sense. So this is the first explainer video that explains exactly how to navigate the app. So after you've installed the app and you've opened it, this is what you'll see. So we have two important sections here. We have the login section, if you already have the credentials, and we have the browse stories as guests. So when you browse here, you will be allowed to browse through the stories, and you can even read free stories that are not premium. However, stories that are premium like this one, you cannot really do anything unless you either register or sign in. So I will start with the registration. So I'll just come to sign up, and then in here I will type my name, official names, and then I will type my username, sorry, and then here I will type my email, sign 63564 at lemto.com. Alright, sign in 1, 2, 3, sign in 1, 2, 3, and then I hit register. So after you register, you cannot log in until you verify the link that has been sent to the email that you use here. So I will go to another window and verify my email. Okay, so once my email is verified, I will come back here and log in. Okay, I need to actually verify it. Okay, that's done. So I will log in. So once I log in, I have an option to choose my preferred tag. So I can select any number of tags I want here, which will help the system create a recommendation algorithm specifically for you. But for now, I'll just skip. This is what you see. So once you log in, your status will be, or your role will be as a writer, nothing else. You can request to be a writer, and we'll look at that in a second. But your role is a writer, and you're given 5 free tokens to unlock stories. So I can come here and look at a story that I like. For example, let's say I want to read this story. I will scroll through it. I will get the first 2 or 3 paragraphs for free depending on the length of the story, and then I will have an option to unlock the story down here, which will deduct 1 token from my balance. So I'll just click unlock, and once that story is unlocked, you can now get the full content right here. After I'm done reading, if I do enjoy this author's content, I can just come here and click follow, and I will get notified whenever this author posts anything. At the end of the story, we have the like button. We also have the bookmark button if you want to bookmark your stories for later read or just to organize them. And then we have the comments button, which will lead you to the comment section where we can write a comment. So try very interesting. And then I will publish that comment. The author probably will read and reply to my comment. So I'll go back. So assuming you want to be a writer, how do you go about it? You come to your profile. The first things first, you need to update your bio. So I'll come here to, okay, I've clicked the settings. Let me just get out of this first. I've clicked the settings icon right here, and it will open the settings screen. So inside the settings screen, we have quite a few information here. We have your transaction records here. We have reset password, logout, delete account. Down here we have our helplines, which you can use to request for support if you are having any issues. We have social links here, and I'll just try and add 1 social link. So here I will say I want to add Facebook. I will paste in the URL, and then here I will say the username is Mbadi. I will add. Of course, I've checked that I want to make this profile public. So when I go to my profile and refresh, I can see my social media page there. But I want to add a bio. So here we'll add a bio. My name is Lenin. I'm from Uganda. And then I save my changes. So our bio has been updated here. So now I can click the request writer access button. And here, these are optional, of course. You can just submit without them, but to make your application stand out so that our systems or our moderators can attend to it faster, you might want to include a sample link. Okay, a bio already picks from your profile, so that is okay. And then you select a tag for that story that you share there. So for example, I can just copy a story link here, and then I paste it there. I say the story is based on sports, and then I submit. So as you can see here, it says that your writer request is pending approval. So I will come to my admin interface. My goodness, I forgot to run that. So just hang on a second. I think I'll have to pause this video. My goodness, how do I pause this thing? Yeah, the software I'm using does not have a pause. So let me just run the admin interface. So part of verifying or approving a writer request is basically just going through the information you provided and just trying to confirm if indeed you're not a robot, a scam, or anything in that nature. Alright, so I'm just trying to verify the account. So this will still show as under review. So under my admin account, I will so I will check on the documents you provided, and then I will approve your writer request, or the admin will approve your writer request. So we'll refresh here, and as you can see, these options here have changed to show that you are a writer or your writer request has been approved. So now you can proceed and publish stories. So there are a few buttons here. There's the withdraw button, there's the top up button, and all that and all that. So once your writer request has been approved, you will get an email notification, just telling you how things work, how to publish a story, the token deductions and whatnot. And we've also attached the terms and conditions and a link to join our WhatsApp community in the email. Unfortunately, I can't show it here. So we have the top up button, which actually allows you to top up your account. So right here, I will need to update a phone number. So I'll come to update my profile, and I will choose the country as Kenya, and I'll come to phone number and say +254 2547. So I'll click save. My phone number has been updated. So now when I do top up, I can see the phone number has automatically been picked. So what you do is, once you confirm top up, there will be an M-Pesa pop-up on your phone which asks you to enter your PIN after confirming that indeed you want to pay 50 shillings to Soma readers, and that's how you top up. But once you are approved as a writer, you get 200 free tokens, but these tokens you cannot withdraw these tokens until you've earned 300 extra tokens. So here, if I come to say I want to withdraw my 200 shillings, I confirm submit. Minimum withdrawal is 350. So what if I do 350? I'm told as a new writer you need to accumulate 500 tokens, 200 free plus 300 tokens that you've earned, and that's about it on the writer request. So down here you have the stories. If you've written any stories, you'll be shown here the stories that you've written. We show here the stories that you've read, and here is we show you a breakdown of your earnings in this screen. So if you had a story, we'll show you exactly how much it has earned you for a certain duration of time. So that's that. Now, how do you publish a story? So to publish a story, you just come to the publish, and I just want to copy a story here I had written. Where's my story? Okay, so let me just copy a story here. Now, where is it? I am looking for a story. Let's see. Story. All right, I have one, so I've copied it. So when you are publishing a story, as you can see here, it says ready. We have the publish button here. That should not happen. I'll fix that. We have the tag, so you need to select a minimum of 1 tag and a maximum of 3 tags whenever you publish a story. So here I will just come and say the why Masai, why not the Turkana, the Turkana boy, and then I will paste the story content. I'm sorry if I typed this wrongly and you are from Lodwa or Turkana, please forgive me. So I'll type my story there. As you can see, it's just a ChatGPT generated story. Please don't paste an AI story. The system will flag it and it will delete your account. So once that is done, as you can see, it's trying to save remotely, but it cannot save remotely because our story does not have a tag. So here I will select a tag. Let's say this is based on music, and as you can see, it says saved. So what this means is that your story has been saved as a draft in the backend. So everything looks good. I want to attach a feature image or a thumbnail photo, but to do that I can just attach it at the top here. So I can just click enter, and then I will say attach an image. I will look for an image. For example, this is one right here. It will take a second and it uploads the image, and then after that is done, the maximum size of an image is 15 MB. So if you try to upload anything bigger than that, it will not work. So everything looks good. I'll click publish, and then it asks me to add a cover image. So I'll just say pick from story, and I will pick that one. Once that is done, my story is now published, but I will get a link that I can share with my friends so that they can read the story. I can unlock the story and I can start earning. So that's basically the post upload screen. I will close this one out, and basically that's how you upload a story. So as you can see, it's not reflected here yet because the system is doing some checks and whatnot. I don't know what they call it, but yeah, so that is how you upload a screen. That's how you update settings under your profile. The rest will come up later as we proceed. There are still a few things we haven't implemented yet, but we'll do that as we proceed. So this is the Android mobile app. So far we only have the Android mobile app. We do not have the apps, the thing, the app or whatever. But for those who are using Apple or desktop, you can still use Soma by using the web version. So we have a web version. If I could just move this. So we have a web version right here. It's called somaapp.app. This basically gives you an interface to do pretty much almost everything you do on the Android app, but this is still heavily under development, so a lot of things haven't yet been implemented. But you can log in, you can sign up, you can view our terms and conditions, you can view about Soma, and you can view the Soma 10K competition. That's it for this video.